Are you going to show off for me? Oh, oh. Hey, Jackson, what does a doggy say? Oh. Look, I'm filming right now. Look, here we go. Maybe you'll get in there. I hope that's on there. Hey, Jackson. What does a doggy say?
Oh.
What does a doggy say? You're not going to do it for me. Yes, they're both Lightning McQueen. Hmm? Will you throw the ball to Daddy? Can you throw the ball to Daddy? Throw it to Daddy! No. Oh!